Truck wash solution for ISO. Every truck tells a story of long journeys, heavy load, and harsh road. But one thing should always be spotless: cleanliness. In logistics, construction, petroleum, and food transport, a dirty truck is more than just bad image. It's a risk to your reputation, to your operations, and to your ISO compliance. Because ISO standards like ISO 9001 and 14001 demand more than clean wheels. They require systems that are controlled, consistent, and traceable. And let's face it, manual washing doesn't deliver that. It's slow, inconsistent, wasteful, no logs, no metrics, no guarantees. That's why smart businesses are choosing a smarter solution. Go&Go, the automatic truck wash system built for ISO-ready operation. With Go&Go, every wash is fast, done in just 5 to 7 minutes. Efficiency, using minimal water and chemical. Consistent, with perfect dosing and pressure. Trackable, every wash digitally logged for audits. It's no longer just about cleaning trucks. It's about building a process that supports operational control, environmental responsibility, cost efficiency, and international standard. Whether you are shipping goods, cross-border, or managing a cold chain fleet, this level of standardization is a game changer. Imagine 50 trucks a day, clean to the same ISO aligned level. No guesswork, no downtime. And when an auditor shows up, you got the record ready. Go&Go isn't just a machine. It's a system designed for performance, engineered for standards. So stop washing like it's the past. The future of truck hygiene is automated, documented, ISO ready. The future is Go&Go. Let your trucks carry more than cargo. Let them carry your standard. Let ISO be your edge, not your burden. Go&Go, clean trucks, clean processes, clear advantage.